round 4 here on the 14th day of April, the Minneapolis Jewish Cemetery over here in Richfield, Minnesota. It's kind of working our way east to west. It's so much, I'll probably do a couple more and work our way over this way, but you can kind of tell. Isaac, 1939, 1951. Lots and lots. You better know where your relatives are buried when you're back into here. There's one of those stone places up in Little Falls where they make this stuff, and my wife's guy I went to school with had that stuff. It was not cheap, but I guess to me, totally over in Saudi Arabia, what they do with the king, put a gunny sack in the ground, rock over and down with it. I don't know, you want to spend the money on that, but I think you make it simple. Give money to a charity or something, but this is what people love to do, so be it. These are kind of older ones. 1935, ripe age of 82. 1930, 92 years old. Holy balls. 86. There's 1924, so you're getting some older ones in here. My goodness. 1938, 1936. Can't read that one. 1949. Fitterman. There's a Marine right over there. Oh, 39 years old, 1928. 35, 1926, youngin'. Berman, 1946, 1964. Ooh, this one's kind of still, I think they're age 18, died, wow, 1931. Only 18 years old, daughter, mother, died 1972. Oh my. Very young. I like that age, 58. Nice one. See a lot of those at that. A lot of these different are older ones. Finkelstein, 68 and 48. Richfield can be a little noisy with the airplanes going over it. Right in the flight path. Like I said, you can tell how far it goes. Way over there, it's got a long ways to go over there too as well. More patrons that can be buried here. So. $1998. What if they put the coffins like down this way so you can put more in? I have no idea how they do that, so. It's an old one right here. Can't tell who, what, where. Obviously an old one. Died 1918 at age 55. This one's kind of fell over a little bit. Been trying to do the lawn here. Oh my goodness. I don't want to knock anything over. 1881, 1929. Wonder if Max Winter is buried out in here. Owner of the Minnesota Vikings. Roof, roof, roof. Small one's right there. You can tell it's a military vet right over there. 1947. Moss, I recognize that name. Kaplan. A couple of these are getting ready to tip over themselves. I don't know why they have a fence there, but anyways. Alright guys, put another battery in, maybe do one or two more and see you from there. Alright, see you next one.